How's everybody doing? This is Neff with Nocturnal Labs, and today I will be bringing you guys an awesome video. I'm going to show you guys that live in apartments how you can actually use your grinders. I've heard a lot of people talk about they don't have 220 because they live in apartments, but guess what? I found a way to have mine running. I'm going to show you guys real quick. I got everything connected. Got VFD running. We're about to hit this start and see how this thing runs with you guys here. So let's see how this goes. That way I used a little extension piece that came with the beautiful inexpensive VFD, and it worked pretty good. Here we go. Running. Ooh, look at that. It sounds like a 2JZ. Alright, let's try this reverse. Forward and reverse, baby. Okay, we're going back to forward. 2JZ, baby. Listen to that engine go. Man, it runs so smooth. Look at that, look at that. Little monster can, it's running. Man, I like it. I'm about to start tearing things up, baby. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys what I've done. You know, every apartment has a 220 out there, right? So what I've done, I actually ordered a dryer cord and ran the extension and connected it to the VFD. So I'm actually running 220 in an apartment off of my drying machine. And guess what, man? It works. So hey, there's no excuses if you live in an apartment and you say you can't have one of these running because you don't have 220. Because I just did it. Bam. Let's listen to this 2JZ one more time. And it's not even on a steady table. Yes, it's a wooden table, but it's a little flimsy, and you can see there's minimal vibration. I even put the monster can on the actual plate, and it barely even vibrated. So I mean, it's running pretty good, and I'm happy. So boom, we did it. After almost 6 months of ordering stuff, we finally did it, baby. Hey, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed, hit that like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And from now on, the next videos are actually going to be grinding some blades, baby. That's all we have. You guys take care. See ya.